Okay, so your video tonight is a take-home quiz. I am not trying to give this to you to be mean. I'm trying to help you so that you are best prepared for your test, and so we have lots of time to review some good things tomorrow. So your job on this take-home quiz, you need out a piece of paper because you're going to need to write all of this down, even though you're going to answer questions in this Edpuzzle video. Okay, so what I need for you to do is to pick two equations below. I don't care which ones you pick. It makes no difference to me, any two. And we're going to do like we did on the back of the worksheet today, which is to graph the parabola. You need to show all your work. So even though you're going to answer the questions on Edpuzzle, you need to actually show your work on paper because you're going to turn that paper in first thing tomorrow morning. There will be no time for you to actually do this in class. You're going to turn it in at the beginning of class. So you're going to do what we did in class today. So graph the parabola, and then you're going to identify all the important parts. And you all know what that means: the vertex, axis of symmetry, the y-intercept, domain and range. Those are the things that I want to see. All that should be pretty clear when you get to those problems. So each little slide of this video is just going to have the problem written out. And then you'll have a chance to enter your answers on Edpuzzle. And the nice thing about doing that on this video is that you're going to be able to get some feedback, at least to whether or not you're right or wrong. So you know if you need to fix it before you hand it actually in tomorrow. So it'll be taken as a grade in two places, one as a video and then two as a quiz. So do your best work on this. If you need to ask questions of a friend, if you need to look at your notes, do any of those things. It's a take-home quiz. Your job is to learn this so that you are 100% ready for your test tomorrow. And sorry, let me add, you can answer all 3 questions for extra credit, so you are allowed to do that. Okay, so here's question 1 if you're choosing to do it. If you're not doing question 1, please hit skip on all of the answers that are provided, or just leave them blank. Don't worry about it being counted wrong. If you are doing question 1, go ahead and work this problem out and then answer the corresponding parts as you go along on the video. Make sure you have all work shown on your paper to hand in tomorrow. Here's question 2 if you're choosing to work this one out. Please make sure that you show all work on your piece of paper. And then you need to go ahead and answer the corresponding parts of information on the video. If you answer something on the video and it seems to be wrong, then you need to fix that on your paper before you continue. If you are skipping this question, please just hit skip or leave any answers blank. And here's question 3. The same with the first 2 questions. If you're choosing to do this question, go ahead and work it out on paper. Make sure you've shown all your work. Answer any corresponding parts to the video, and then make sure that you're ready to turn that in when you come into class tomorrow. If you are skipping this question, just please hit skip on all of the answers or leave them blank. You can do all 3 questions for extra credit, so if you'd like to do that, then you may do that on this one as well.